Afternoon, children. Today let me take one more lesson. That is lesson number 18. These people are also like us. So first let me welcome you all to the online class. So today's lesson is these people are also like us. So all of you be ready with your test page number 144. These people are also like us. So let me show you the picture here. These people are also like us. Lesson name is these are also like us. You can see develop sensitivity and an attitude to help the people with special needs. You can see the old person want to cross the road, but a vehicle is coming there. No one is there to help him, and the girl sitting in a wheelchair, helpless, can't move further. And in the next pictures, the girl is unable to stand and cannot move further. So these are the different pictures showing about how they are in the helpless situation. So these are the different situations, and if suppose we were there in those situation, what would you have done? If you were in this situation, what would you have done? You would have called others for the help, but no one is there to come. Now let us start the lesson. Look, page number 144. The figure where I am reading. Asha and Lata are friends, and Asha and Lata are the two girls. They are friends studying in class 3. Lata cannot see. She reads the books which are printed in Braille script. Lata, she cannot see, but she reads the books which are printed in the Braille script and write using Braille letters. So she sings songs well. Asha and the children of class help her works. She comes to school happily, and if you were Lata's friend, how would you help her? So we must try to help our friends if they are in such conditions. So we must help them. So they will be also be happy, and they will also come to school regularly. The same way, here is one great person called Braille. Let us see his achievement. Page number 145. Braille. Know this. One day a boy of 3 years old was playing with the sharp tool used by his father. One day this person who is in the picture, he was 3 years old, and he was playing with the sharp tool used by his father. You can see it. You can see the person. When he was 3 years old, he was playing with the sharp tool used by his father, and the pointed tool pierced in his eyes, and he lost his eyesight. When he was playing with that sharp tool, it pierced in his eyes. It went in his eyes. He lost his eyesight. The boy had keen interest in studies, but he was interested in studies, but was unable to see. So he was thinking of different possibilities to read and write. Finally arrived at a way to read and write by touching and feeling. But touching the letters and feeling them, he started how to identify the letters, and he developed it and made it helpful for those who have been facing the problem of the sight. And he is the Louis Braille. He is called the Louis Braille. The letters he used are called Braille script. The language which he used is called as a Braille script. So This is about the achievement of Braille. When he was small, he lost his eyes. That is why, for helping others, he himself invented the language for them called as Braille script, and his name is itself is the Braille. On his name only he started the language. So it is a great achievement by this person. Now look here, some more pictures. Let me show you. You can share. Geeta is a clever girl. Geeta, you can see the Geeta. She is a clever girl. She plays with her friends in the school. She can't hear and cannot speak also. She plays with her friends in the school, but she cannot hear and cannot speak also. All her friends understand Geeta's signs. Try to convey to your friends what you want by using signs. What do these signs convey? So you can share her signs. What do these signs convey? She is doing a namaskar to the others, want to give flowers, telling, showing the hands, and also showing the something showing the some eagerness is there, something describing, holding some flowers and all. So these are the different signs made by Geeta. Understood? So now next, two more pictures are there. Page number. These two are the one sleepy, one thirsty. Understood? Simple pictures. Here some this one following statements are there. So I want water. How to show them? I want water. I want food. I am sleepy. Bell rang. Father will come. Hand in itching. Hand is itching. Play with ball. Play skipping. I will dance. So these are the statements to mind. Next. Ravi has some problem with his leg. He cannot walk. He had joined school recently, and if Ravi joins the school, how will you help him? Ravi is a boy of class 3. Problem with leg. He is having problem with leg. Cannot walk. He joined the school recently, but if he joins your school, how will you help him? We have to take him, or we have to help him in the to carry him to the school. Observe you around you. You can see many people who are physically disabled. They need certain facilities and help in their work. Friends' cooperation is essential for this. Number of people with special needs have achieved a lot by their efforts and interest. Now know about such people from your elders. Say 4 lines on any of them. Now let us study about the Dr. Puttraj Gawai and his achievements. Let me give you questions on the lesson. First question. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. This is the heading. First question. What are the achievements of what are the achievements of Dr. Putraj Gawai, of Dr. Putraj Gawai. What are the achievements of Dr. Putraj Gawai? Question mark. Dr. Putraj Gawai was famous for art. Was famous for his art, literature, 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 music and peace. Who was the guru of who was the Who was the preacher of who was the preacher of Dr. Prakash Gowdy? Who was the preacher of Dr. Prakash Gowdy? Answer. Panchakshari Gawai. The preacher of Prakash Gowai was preacher of Prakash Gowai was Panchakshari Gawai. Panchakshari Gawai. The preacher of Prakash Gowai was Panchakshari Gawai. How many books? How many books? He has written in this. How many books has he written in days? How many books has he written in days? He has written more than 64 books in days. He has written more than 64 books in prison. How many students have learned places in these gardens? How many students have learned music and this learn music? There is gardens. Answer: more than 15,000 students. More than 15,000 students have learned music categories. Music categories. Two places. More than 50,000 students have learned music and raised two places.